Hi, it's Adrienne, and I'm back. I am wearing some false eyelashes, which I don't do a lot because I'm not that great at putting them on. And today, instead of, forgot to go ahead and put them on first before doing mascara, so I put them on second, and it was a real clown show trying to get them on. It was hysterical, actually. And so right now I'm just finishing up. I'm using some of the Flexitarian from Colourpop. Just do a little bit of highlighter here, and then I was going to go ahead and play with some of the Colourpop eyeliners. I had actually gone ahead and watched some of the end of year YouTubes, and one of those was actually the list, and they came out with an eyeliner style that's supposed to be really hip and happening for 2020. So I thought, okay, I'll go ahead and play with that and see if I can do it. And I'm probably doing it backwards again because I already have the eyelashes on. But I thought I'd go ahead and try it. And one thing before we get going on that part, let's see here. Okay. Went with my mom shopping, and we went over to Walgreens. We got the number 7, and this is the complete kit. It's actually as big as the other one they have at Ulta, which has the 3 products in it. But this one has the day cream, the night cream, the serum, and the eye cream in it. This one, officially before Christmas, was running at $30. And over at Walgreens right now, it's on sale for $15. So just wanted to let everybody know about that, especially if you want to try something new in skincare and haven't, for a while. And I'm thinking maybe trying some of that too. It is clinically proven to give you better skin. So don't know if I'm going to do that, but again, I saw that eyeliner look that was, let's see, that the list said was going to be really popular, and basically it's doing the black and then going ahead and doing the white over it. So I thought with my Colourpop pencils, now that I got those, and got the Star Frost colors, which is this one, and now that I have some to play with, I thought I'd go ahead and do some, and maybe even do that look. And actually I have a feeling that I should have done more of it before I put on the false lashes, but that didn't happen, so there we go, right over it. Let's see. So we got some of the black on, like that. And then got the black on the under eye. Should probably smudge a little bit, huh? So where's my brush here? Okay. So this is one of the Real Technique brushes. Okay, so smudged. Let's try some of the white. I've forgotten how much white can do. And actually, this is the black one. So hold on for just a moment while I find that. And I'll be right back. Okay, so back again. Let's try some white over this black and see how that goes. And I've already broken the tip off of this once, so we'll just hope that it doesn't break again here. Yeah, these lashes are actually the ones that I like, but so these are more the wispy kinds. They're the Kiss Sultry. So this one over here, and I used the Kiss glue to go along with it. Use Kiss glue. Yeah, the Kiss eyelash glue to go along with it. And like I said, they're saying white over your black liner. Actually, I need some more black liner there. And gel liner is so much easier to work with. I mean, much nicer than the liquid liners that are mess. And it was pretty funny trying to put these on. I should have actually filmed it. It was pretty hysterical. Something more on that line. I don't know. Okay, so there's the final look. Use the white on the bottom tight line, and then did the black underneath the lashes, and then a coat of black on top, and then a coat of white on top of that. And so that's sort of what I came up with. And again, love false lashes, just wish I was actually better at applying them. And that's the look. So thank you and have a good day. Bye.